This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vicki Marsh. One or more photos has been virtually staged. If you have been looking for a maintenance-free home, this secluded old Florida villa-style condo community may be exactly what you have been waiting for. The picturesque grounds are full of lush Florida plants and flowers, the perfect place to enjoy the outdoors, admire nature and tranquil living. Outdoor activities include tennis and pickleball matches with neighbors, relaxing and by the heated pool, cookouts, and the covered picnic area. There is a clubhouse with a social room, library and pool tables. Also, the unit has an exterior storage shed large enough to accommodate bicycles.Hurricane windows with 20 years transferrable warranty. Conveniently located to downtown Sarasota, which is just 3.5 miles away. Sarasota/Bradenton Airport is just a few minutes away, and don't forget the beaches. Indian Beach, Sapphire Shores, Siesta Key, Lido and Turtle beaches are close by and waiting for you. Let's talk shopping. Big box stores, charming boutiques, and UTC Mall are all available. Visit Street Armand Circle for the Ringling Museum. Spend time at Marie Selby Gardens. This secluded condo community is also located near a bus stop. Why wait? Don't miss your opportunity to own a piece of paradise. Call to schedule a tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact Vicki Marsh at 941-556-2150.